You start making money online, scam. Do something they're not used to, scam. Earning in dollars, scam. Oh, you are a fraud. You automatically become suspicious. And why is it that when you do something that is not the norms, something that not a lot of persons are used to, something that is different from the regular pattern, the first thing they say is this is a scam. But what if the real scam is that your mindset? A lot of you, what is keeping you stuck and continually broke is not because that thing is a scam, but it's because of how you chose to see it, the way you see it, and the way you fear the system. This is not about the system, but how you choose to see the system. A lot of people just believe that you must suffer before you make money. That's why when people tell you, oh, you can literally make money just by doing this from your comfort zone, and you be like, no, no way, that's a scam. Oh, that person is a fraud. Just so used to working at doing your regular jobs. That's why you feel like, oh, this is the norms. And when you see something that is not the norms, you call it a scam. That's why this person will tell you, oh, come and do this thing. This thing is how a lot of persons are making money online. But because you've already cloud your mindset that, oh, everything is a scam, this person wants to eat my money, you're not going to grow far with that kind of mindset if you see everything as a scam. And you know, the funny thing is when they see the actual scam, they can't even identify it. That's why a lot of you will fall for MMM and other Ponzi scheme. I've seen a lot of persons call digital marketing a scam because they were asked to pay a certain amount of money for registration. I've seen a lot of person call copy trading or forex trading gambling and scam because a lot of person they know complain that they blew their account. If you keep following the crowd because they are saying this about a particular system that you've not even tried before, you will never go far with that kind of mentality. Now, if forex trading or copy trading is a scam, oh my god, I want to be scammed for the rest of my life. If digital marketing is a scam, then I really want to fall for this scam for the rest of my life. In fact, this is the best scam that has ever happened to me. Yes, I've seen a lot of persons in my community make money off copy trading, make money off digital marketing by just following the same path. People with no big influence, people with zero tech background, they're literally making money off this thing that you are constantly calling a scam. This is not hype, guys. This is a clear structure. You call it a scam because you're still stuck in one version of reality. Like you haven't seen what's possible. That's why when someone tell you you can do this, you can make money off your comfort zone. You can make money from being at home just by doing this, and you don't believe because a lot of you are just so used to hard labor. You feel like if you don't work hard, you cannot make money. So it's really not your fault, but you need to change that mentality. In fact, dead that mentality today, dead it now. Don't know what it feels like to get paid in dollars. You don't know what it feels like to make money while you sleep. You don't know what it feels like to wake up to seeing you making profit. You don't know what it feels like to wake up seeing that you're making sales without even begging anybody. That thing you keep calling a scam might actually be the answer to your prayers, might actually be what will take you to your financial freedom. You feel like, oh, you're doubting this thing. Try to at least do your research on that thing first before you say it's a scam. Digital marketing is not a scam. Forex trading is not a scam. Content creation is not a scam. People are making money from their comfort zone. People are making money just by working from home. People are getting paid in dollars. Fix your mindsets. Read the right books. Change your environment if you have to. Surround yourself with high value people. Okay? Stop following people that are like you, that always think like you. That's why you can't see the possibilities of things. All right. Now, if this is your first time of seeing this pretty girl right here, I want you to click on that subscribe button. Subscribe now. I know you gain value from this video, so I want you to subscribe and make sure to give me a thumbs up. Now, if you want to start making money from copy trading or forex trading, then you're in the right place. I want you to comment copy trading or forex trading in the comment section and I'm going to reach out to you. Now, if you also want to make money off digital marketing or affiliate marketing, then drop a comment below, all right? Now, feel free to connect with me on IG. If you have any question you want to ask, do not hesitate to DM me, okay? And I'm going to give you a response. Now, you're going to find the link to my IG handle on the description, okay? So make sure to do that. Connect with me. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to tune in. Bye, guys.